A very good morning to all. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the data and the relations which is used in the data analytics concept. Under this topic, which we are going to learn as data set, what is meant by data set, data scales, set and matrix representation, relations, similarity measures, dissimilarity measures, sequence relations, and sampling and quantification. Okay, these are all the topics which is coming under the data and relationships, which is mainly used to focus to represent the data. First of all, before we are going to the first topic, first you should know what is a relation. Relation means the data relations which is used to manage the consistency and quality of the data. The data set means it is a collection of data. The collection of data, it will be represented in the table form. The table, it contains the rows and columns. This kind of data, it will be collected through the observations or any measurements, study, or the analytics. Okay. With the help of that, we can collect the data. Then the next one is the types of data set. The types of data sets are numeric data set, bivariate data set, multivariate data set, categorical data set, and correlation data set. The numerical data set, the particular data set, it contains only the numerical values from 0 to 9 values. Okay, totally 10 values it may contain. Then the bivariate data set means it consists of the two variables. It will be deals with the relationship between them. Okay, multivariate means if we are going with a more than two variable, then it will be belongs to a multivariate data set. Okay, for that, the example is length, height, weight, and volume of that particular box. And the categorical data, it will be used to categorize the variables. Okay, like if person or pen, okay, that will be categorized based on the qualitative information. A person is a gender. In that, the person means it is a general object. Okay, it's a quality. So based on the gender, it may we can conclude that it is a male or female. Then the next one is the correlation data set. The correlation data set, it will be used to represent the relationship between the data. Either it may be a positive value or negative value or non-zero, no or zero correlations. Then the next topic in data and relation is data scale. The scale is a device or object which is used to measure and quantify any event or other objects, right? Basically, this scales, it will be used to measure data. For measuring those data, it will be done in four types: nominal, ordinal, or interval, or ratio. These are the four types of scales which is used to measure the data. First one is nominal. Nominal means it is a labeling variable. It will be used without any quantitative values. It could be simply called as label. For that, we can see the example. What is your gender? What is your hair color? And what do you like? Okay. These are the general nominal questions. The next one is ordinal. Ordinal means it is a thing which is used to measure the non-numerical concepts like satisfaction, happiness, discomfort. Okay. Ordinal is easy to remember because it's like a order. Okay. Then it will be measured the central tendency by using the mode or median. For that, the example it is given. How do you feel today? Okay. Very unhappy, happy, okay, okay. That's it. How satisfied are you with our services? Okay. Next one is the interval. Interval scale is a numeric scale. Both the order and the exact the difference between the values. The classic example of interval scale is Celsius temperature. It is shown. The difference between the 60 and 50 is 10. The next one is ratio. Ratio is the ultimate nirvana which comes with the data measurement scales. It is, for example, you can consider that what is your weight in kg. less than 55, 55 to 75, okay, more than 95. Okay, this is the case. Just it will mention between the ratios, like for example, the grading system, our grading system. Okay, if you are getting a mark from 95 to 100, you will get a O grade. Okay, like that. The ratio means the interval. The four scale measures it is given. Okay, nominal scale, it is for given for your understanding purpose. The nominal scale variable, for example, your eyes. Okay, ordinal scale means happy, neutral, or unhappy. Interval scale means time. Then ratio is based on the weight or mark. This is about the summary chart of that four scales. Reference. Okay, thank you.